Hey guys, Airdrop Hunt is here again. I am glad that you're here. If you're new, welcome, and you've been here with us, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever new videos are being dropped in the channel. Alright guys, without wasting much of our time, in today's video I'll be showing us how to go or rather how to participate on the DOP airdrop, step by step on how to partake in the DOP airdrop. Before you could actually arrive at this particular option here, or rather this particular page, now the first thing you need to actually create your account, of which there are a lot of process that you need to follow. And if you haven't watched the process, go to my subsequent YouTube videos and check how to create DOP wallet. After that, then you hit over and continue from this particular place. I'll be dropping the link in the description space, and equally on the comment section, so that you can equally do it. So guys, let's kick started. But guys, before I should actually continue, this is my first time doing it, so it might actually take longer time. So if I don't actually understand a process, because we're doing this the live and direct, understand? So if in case I don't actually understand something, I will push and recheck the tutorials. So guys, I'm just doing this video so as to make it very easier for people that will be doing it. So now let's get started guys. Okay, now after that, after you've actually logged in, then this is the first step that you'll be doing. Now you tap on this particular option that says start guys. This particular option that says start, this particular option, now you tap it. Now after tapping it, let's see which page is actually gonna. Okay, it says you need to connect wallet. It says important connect connect the MetaMask account through which you would like to claim your future testing reward. Note that rewards are not immediate. Eligible starters who complete all the airdrop testing will be able to claim their reward only after the official launch of the DOP token in early 2024. So guys, once you've seen this video, don't hesitate or don't waste time, endeavor to actually start the airdrop as soon as possible so that you can equally um do it too. So now I'm already on my MetaMask. This is my MetaMask. If you haven't understood well how to actually connect wallet, or rather to actually kickstart your extensions on the Mrs. browser, so you can actually do well to and search for it, or rather check my subsequent YouTube videos on how to do that too. So now let's connect our wallet. Okay, now let's tap on this particular option. We'll tap in this particular option here that says let's connect. Now it says connect. Now we'll be tapping on this MetaMask. Okay. Okay guys, let's tap on this MetaMask. Alright, let me input my password guys. Alright guys, after you might have seen this option like this, you'll be tapping on MetaMask. Once the MetaMask, alright, let's tap it and see what it's gonna display. Now it's gonna display this. What you'll be doing, tap on Mrs. Don't tap on MetaMask guys. I always advise this guys, if you're doing airdrops, now don't always connect airdrops with your real wallet that you save your fund. Endeavor to have an airdrop app, you understand, an airdrop wallet, you understand, so that you'll be using it. Now because my MetaMask, or rather my extension of MetaMask on Mrs is what I usually use for my airdrops, so I'll be tapping on Mrs. If you have MetaMask wallet that you do airdrops, fine, you connect it. If you don't have, use the Mrs. So it's now left for you to choose. Now I'll be tapping on Mrs guys, Mrs browser. Okay, now let's wait for it and see. I'll be pausing the video. All right, guys. When I actually tap on this place that is showing MetaMask, it actually show misses, and also what's it called, and also MetaMask. As I've already told you that my own wallet I'm using, what's it called, the extension, MetaMask extension on my Mrs. browser. But before you could actually use it now, guys, you need to actually switch it to desktop side. Now you tap on here. For people who don't know how to actually switch it, tap on that three dot at the top right hand side. Now you'll be seeing you scroll up a bit or rather scroll down, you'll be seeing this option desktop. Now once you've seen this place, now you tap on this particular option here. Okay, now you tap it, this how will be loaded, or rather it's gonna turn to desktop side. Okay, now after that guys, let's wait for it and let's see what's the next step guys. As I told you, just stay patient on this guys. Let me post videos, like the network is a bit slow. Okay, let's post it before it finishes loading. All right, it has now successfully switched to the desktop side. Now what you'll be doing, will be tapping on this place that says MetaMask, then we'll tap on our messages. Guys, if you're actually enjoying what I'm doing, don't forget to actually subscribe to the channel and equally like the video guys. Now let's tap on this MetaMask option. Now let's tap it. Once we tap it, now you see successfully open our MetaMask extension on our Mrs. browser. Okay, instead of previously it was actually directing me to go to my MetaMask application, of which I don't do that. I don't connect my Airdrop wallet. Now let's tap on, let me post video as I input my password. All right, now before it finish loading, okay, now you're going to tap on this next option. Okay guys, endeavor to, before then, switch your this thing, the network, to Ethereum. Okay, after then you tap on this next. Okay, then you tap on this connect, this particular option here, connect. After tapping on that next, tap on connect. Okay, let's wait for it as it connects. Then it is switch network to Sepulia. Okay, now let's switch it guys. Tap on this switch button, this switch option here. Now keep on tapping. Okay, okay. All right. It has connected successfully. Now we are now left with tax. See the taxes that we'll be doing. The first tax, it says follow also next. This particular tax. Then you tap on this X and sign in, guys. Tap it. Okay. This is the first tap in the stand that we'll be doing. Now you tap on this option. Okay. Let's tap it. Okay. Now once you tap it, it's actually gonna open I guess it's gonna open page for Twitter, the web page version, or rather it can actually still direct us to the app. So now let's wait. Let me pause the video so that it won't take much longer time. Let me push. All right. After the page has opened successfully, now you'll be tapping on this authorized. You understand? You tap on this authorized, guys. Okay. Let's tap on this authorized. Okay. Let's tap on the authorized, guys. All right. We've already decided directing you back to the application. Okay. Let's still wait. All right, has finished authorizing. Now as you can see, this particular place has shown green. Now the next thing we'll be doing, we'll be tapping on this follow DOP on X. So let's tap on that button. Okay, let's tap and allow it to equally open too. Then it's gonna actually open our X. Now once it open, we'll just tap on the follow button. Understand? Once we're done, that's all. Now here is the official page. It has opened successfully. Now you tap on this particular place that says follow. Okay, let's tap on this particular place that says follow. Now let's tap on it. Boom, we follow them. Now let's hit back to the page, guys. Okay. Now if you come back to the web page, you understand, it will ask you confirm that you followed. Then we'll be clicking on this particular small button up here. Okay. Then let's tick it to confirm that we followed, of which we did. Okay, let's tap on it. Now after that, after ticking it, you've seen that it has actually bullet display as it done. Then we tap on this done. Okay, let's tap on the done. Boom, we were done with the first tax, guys. This is the first tax. We're done with it. You see, we're done. We followed there. We've signed in with our X account and equally followed them on X. Now this is the second phase, or rather the second tax, that says claim Sepulia Ethereum. Now we tap on this claim, this particular option. Let's tap on this claim. Okay. Now let's tap on this claim. Okay, let's wait for it as it load, guys. I told you to be patient enough because I'm actually doing it. I don't know the process. We're just following the right up together, you understand? So it will take little time, but endeavor to follow same procedure, guys. Okay, alright. Alright, now we're done. After claiming, now it has shown completed. Can you see it here? It has shown completed. Now we'll be moving to step number 3, this particular place which says now claim test coined DOP. That this is what we'll be doing next. Okay, now let's tap on this particular option that says claim. All right, now let's first copy this before then copy this particular contract address. I guess add the contract to your wallet, this particular address. Now you tap on this particular option. Now copy it. We'll be adding it, guys. I'll show us how to add it now, but endeavor to just copy it and pin it on your dashboard. Now I'll be tapping on that particular place. Then once let's first copy, then we move over to our wallet, our extension. Okay, now let's move over to the extension. Let's copy it first. Now I've copied it. It said copy. As you can see, it says copied here, this place. Once you tap it, it will copy successfully. Now once you've copied, let's it over to the extension, MetaMask extension. Now tap on this particular place. Okay, now tap on this particular MetaMask here. The extension is MetaMask. Now you tap it. Okay, now once you tap it, a new page will actually open for the extension. Now once you tap it, we're now going to add it. Okay, all right, now here is it. We've already we've claimed the 0.08. Understand? Let's now tap on this token. Let's try something, guys, but I'm not sure of it. But since we've copied the contract address, let's tap on token here. Now I guess it has been added, or rather let's tap on this import. Okay, import tokens. Now we paste the contract address that we've copied from the DOP address side. Now you see, here is it. After copying it, you try tapping this particular option, this box here, this empty box. Once you tap it, you see the name DOP and the decimal will actually appear automatically. Now tap on this next. Okay, now once you tap it, now you tap on import. All right, guys, tap on this import. Okay, boom, I guess we've added it. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be moving back to the web page where we'll be claiming it. You understand? All right, let's hit over. As you can see, this is the DOP we just added. Just follow the same prompt, guys. If you don't understand, just follow the same prompt. Now let's hit over to the web page. Now let's come back, guys, to it and see how it goes. And let's finish. Okay, here is it. All right, now we tap on this claim, this particular option here. Yeah, tap it. Now let's tap it and allow it to load. Okay, now let's allow it to load, guys. Don't forget the contract address they give. Just copy the contract address, you understand? Once you copy on the contract address, now the next thing, then you come back to the web page and come and claim it. Now here is the confirmation message. Tap on this confirm. Okay, you tap on this confirm and you allow it. Okay, all right, boom. I guess we are now. All right, previously we were on this step number 3. Now we'll be tapping on this claim on this step number 3, this one. Now let's tap it. Okay, as I've already told you, make sure to copy the contract address and add it to your wallet on your MetaMask extension on the message. All right, guys, let's once we tap on it now, we allow it to actually load. So now let's wait for it to actually load. Let me pause the video so that it don't take much longer time. As you can see, we are already um we've already taken time, but let's pause it and see. All right, it's actually going to display this page. Now you tap on this confirm too. All right, to sign in. Okay, you tap and still allow it to load, guys. Let's await the loading. Okay, all right, boom. You see, we're done with step number 3. We're now done step number 3. Let me show us. Okay, we're done with step number 3, guys. Okay, now look at it. Number 3, it has still green. That means we're now done with it. Now we'll be moving to step number 4. Step number 4 says claim testnet asset. This particular option, this one here. Now this is number 4 that we're gonna be doing. Now, as I always say, guys, because this is the first time, we'll still tap on this particular contract address DOP USDT. Now let's tap it. Once you tap it, now we move over to our extension, guys. Now let's tap on it. Once we tap on it, copy it. You tap it, then you copy it, then you tap on this particular place, just I did for the previous one, this one here. Now we'll be opening our MetaMask extension. Now let's tap on the MetaMask extension. Now once the MetaMask extension, I'm still gonna show you how to actually add it. Understand? That's how we're now going to do it. Now this particular place, these are some of the confirmation that you've seen we've done this particular one here, so don't bother. Now let's tap on this particular place. I see tokens. Look at it, this particular place, tokens. Let's tap on it. All right, now look at the first Sepulia ETH that we've claimed. Look at it here, and look at the DOP. We've gotten 3,000 DOP. Now we'll be adding the USDT, this thing here, contract address here. Now we'll be tapping on this option that says import. Okay, this particular option that says import. Now we'll be tapping on it. Now once you tap it, now you'll be pasting the contract address here. Now once you tap it, then you tap on this box that said token. It has added successfully. Understand? It has now added, as you can see. You see decimal 6 and DOP USDT. Now you tap on next. All right, this next here, tap it. Now once you tap it, it will tell you to import. Now tap on import. Okay, once you import it, then you're good to go, guys. Then let's tap on this back. Okay, now you see we have now actually added it. Now let's head over to our dashboard. All right, let's head over to our dashboard. All right, now we've already added it. Now what we'll be doing, we tap on this claim. After adding it, I said the first thing we were going to do after reaching step number 4. Now you tap on this place. Once you've copied the contract address, sit over to your MetaMask extension, then add it, of which I just did. If you haven't understand, just play it again and watch it. Now you tap on this claim. The next thing we'll be tapping on this claim here. Claim. Now let's tap it. Okay. Now let's tap on this claim. Once we tap on this claim, another page will actually it's not redirecting us to our Mrs. browser. That means we'll be claiming it still again. Now let's wait for it. Now you tap on this confirmation message, guys. This particular place, you tap on this confirmation message here. Now once you tap on this confirmation message here, okay, now let's tap it, guys, and wait for it to actually load. Guys, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, endeavor to do so that you get notified on different airdrops. This airdrop has a lot of potentials, and if you go to X, you'll be seeing it being promoted by a lot of influencers on it. All right, now let's wait for it and see what it says. Okay, all right, we are done with step number 5. You've actually claimed. Now if you go to your MetaMask extension, you're still going to see it there. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be going to step number 5, which says encrypt assets. Guys, that's what we'll be doing. As you can see, number 4 has already done completed. Here's it completed, as you can see. Now to show us that we're making progress, now you can check our progress here, up here. This is our progress. We are currently 50%. You understand our progress? We've done step 4 out of it. Now we'll be moving to the next one. All right, now let's hit over to the step number 5. All right, we'll be tapping on this option that says get started, guys. This particular option. All right, we'll be tapping it. Okay, all right, guys, let me just confirm something for us before moving to the number 5. Let me just show us that we've actually succeeded in adding, or rather claiming, the USDT DOP USDT. Now let's lead over to our extension here. Now let me tap it and show us. All right, let's open our MetaMask extension. Okay, all right, this is the first one. You see, as you can see it here, this is DOP USDT. We've actually claimed 10,000 worth of DOP USDT. That shows the steps actually moving the way we wanted. The first one we claimed was this Sepulia ETH here, as you can see here above. This is the first one. Then the second one was the DOP, which we got 3,000 worth of DOP. Then the third one was the recent one that we just claimed, this one here. So now let's move over to step number 5, guys. All right, let's move to step number 5. Now we tap on this get started. Okay, let's tap on this get started, guys. Okay, all right, let's tap on it and proceed. Now, guys, after coming to this particular page, we'll be tapping on this page here, this option here that says select token here. Now tap on the particular place. You'll be seeing a drop down icon. Let me show us the drop down icon. This is small drop down icon here. Okay, this drop down icon here. Now you tap on the drop down icon. Now once you tap it, you'll be selecting DOP USDT. Understand? You'll be selecting DOP USDT here. Alright, that's what you'll be tapping. Alright, you tap it. Then amount, you'll be tapping, next thing you'll be tapping on amount, imputing amount, I mean. Guys, I don't actually know the exact coming to this place we'll be imputing amount too, but I don't know the exact amount. But as we can see, we have 10,000 worth of DOPUSDT, but let's impute 500 naira. 500, sorry, I say 500 naira. Let's impute 500 pieces of DOPUSDT. Now this is the amount we'll be tapping. Let's tap it, guys. Let's tap 500. Well, I don't know, you might actually input same amount there, but I don't know, but I choose to input 500. You understand? So now after that, you tap on this encrypt. All right, this encrypt. All right, it will ask you to confirm. Says the summary of it, please confirm your transaction details. This is the source chain, destination chain, bridge asset, amount. Then you tap on it, guys. All right, then you tap on confirm. Okay, so but advisably, but you can actually choose to add complete numbers you're saying, but me, I'm going for this 500. Now you tap on this confirm. Okay, set encryption in progress. Okay, encryption in progress, guys. Now let's wait for it as it load, guys. Let's wait for it. Okay, all right, it says max. Well, let's go with this next. Let's just tap on next. I don't know, but let's tap on next. Let's see. If it don't actually allow us, then we tap on approve, guys. Okay, encryption in progress. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, let's wait for it as it load, guys. I said it and I've been saying it. If you have any question, comment it down below. I'll get your question responded. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, endeavor to subscribe to the channel so that you get other informations, guys, pertaining airdrops, mining, and the host of others. Now let's wait for it as it load. All right, it says confirm. Now we'll be tapping on this confirm. Okay, this confirm button down here. Now let's tap it. Okay, now let's tap on the confirm. Okay, encryption in progress. All right, let's wait for it. It's still loading. It's still loading. Let me post the video, guys. Okay. Okay, it says successfully encrypted. Now we'll be tapping on this close. Okay, says you have successfully completed your task. Then you tap on this particular option that says okay. Okay, let's tap on this okay. All right, previously I told us our progress was 50%. I guess we supposed to have gone far more than that 50%, guys. Let's still go up. All right, you see the encryption. Okay, it's showing completed. All right, now let's check our progress up here. Now we're already at 62. Previously the progress was 50. Now we've done step 5 out of it. Now let's hit over to the step. It said send assets. Now this is it. This is it. Okay, this is it, guys. They said now you will practice sending your crypto asset. After completing this step, you could check your wallet transaction on the blockchain explorer to see how DOP protocol maintains privacy. Now this is it. Now, okay, this is it, guys. Now we'll be tapping on this get started. But before then, I guess we'll be before then we'll be copying this address too. I always tell us any this thing that you see now, tap on this particular option here, you will see it will say copy. Now we'll be copying it. All right, let me pause the video too and see how to go about this particular step. All right, guys, after tapping on this get started icon, this particular place, now you tap on it. You understand? Now after tapping on it, now what you'll be doing, now you select as you're seeing this page like this. Now you tap on this drop down icon. You understand? This particular drop down icon that you're seeing, this one. Now this particular place, once you tap it, now we'll be selecting the previous tokens we've selected, which is the DOP USDT. This first one that you're seeing, this particular first one you're seeing. Now you tap on it. Okay. Now once you tap on it, now it's gonna actually open like this. Now after then the next thing we'll be doing, or rather the next step, you're gonna input on any amount in this particular place. As I'm pointing with the arrow, you tap any amount. Now for this tutorial C, I'll be tapping on or rather I'll be inputting 100. Okay, you might put any amount you wish to, but I'll be inputting 100. Now after then, the last step that you'll be doing, you tap on this send button here. Okay, now let's tap on this same. Okay, they said invalid address. Okay, let's tap on this particular option here too, guys. This particular place here. Okay, now you tap it. Okay, now once you tap it, you tap on this particular option here too. This particular option here. Now once you tap it, this address will be displayed like this. Now after it has actually displayed like this, now you tap on the send button as I said previously, guys. Alright, guys, if you've been watching me from the step one of this video and you've gotten value, you can actually support me by tapping on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, endeavor to subscribe. If you have any question, comment it down below and I'll respond to you. And you can actually wish to share it to others. Alright, guys, let's continue. Now we tap on this send. Okay, now they're gonna display this confirmation message. Okay, now you tap on it. Now guys, be mindful of the number that you'll be inputting. Now they are talking of transaction fee. Well, I don't know whether they're going to actually remove it from the total balance that we have already. Now you tap on this confirm. Okay, now tap on the confirm. Set sending in progress. Okay, now let's wait for it, guys, as it actually as you can see is currently sending. It says sending in progress. Okay, now let me pause the video, guys. I'll be pausing the video for now. All right, guys, after tapping on that send, it's actually gonna bring you to your MetaMask extension on the Mrs. browser. Now you tap on this next. All right, then you tap on this approve here, as you can see down below. Give for confirmation, you tap on it. Okay, now it says sending in progress, as you can see written boldly here. It's sending in progress. All right, now let's wait for it to finish loading, guys. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Okay, it's still bringing us back to our MetaMask extension. All right, you tap on this confirmation button again. Now guys, once it has actually brought you to this MetaMask extension, this particular place like this, now you tap on the confirm again. Now you keep on accepting, or rather approving. You see, it still brings us back to the page. It says sending in progress. Okay, now let's wait for it. We don't know whether it's still going to lead us to the MetaMask extension or it's not going to approve. All right, now let's okay. It says successfully transferred, as you can see the prompt message here. Now you tap on this close. Now let's go and check. You tap on this particular close button. Okay, you tap. It says you have successfully completed your task. All right, now you tap on this OK button, guys. Okay, let's tap on it and see what's the next task that we'll be doing. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. I guess we're done. We're done with step number 6. It says completed. As you can see, the step has been completed. All right. Now, already we made only 62% progress, but the progress keep on increasing to now 75 percentage, guys. All right, let's move on to the next step, which is step number 7. Okay, let's go to step number 7. As you can see, the step number 7, they said we're going to decrypt assets. As you can see here. Now, this is what we'll be doing, guys. Now you tap on this get started. Okay, tap on this particular get started, guys. All right, let's tap on it and see. Okay, it's almost the same thing with encrypting. Now this time around we're going to encrypt. Understand? Now you tap on this particular drop down icon. Okay, this particular drop down icon here. Now you tap it. All right, now you tap it. You select this DOP USDT address, this one here. Now you tap it. All right, now you tap it. Once you tap it, they will tell you to select amount too. All right, now you tap on this amount. Now I will be tapping on 100 again, guys. Advisably, now when we're encrypting it, I actually imputed 100, as you people have already seen. Now advisably, since you've already encrypt 100, advisably I will tell you to equally um decrypt 100 again. So, but if you wish to, any number you wish to, but me, I'm just doing this for the sake of tutorial. Now they say input password, your password that when you inputted, when creating it here. Now let me pause the video as I input my own password. Right. All right, I inputted my password, as you can see up. Now we'll be tapping on this decrypt. Okay, guys, let's tap on this decrypt. Now let's tap it and see. Now they will ask you to confirm. All right. Now you tap on the confirmation button here. All right. Now you tap it. They said decryption in progress. Now let's wait for it as it actually decrypt. Now it's still opening our MetaMask extension. Now you actually go and approve the transactions, as I always say. All right. You won't be able to complete it once you tap the reject ball. What you'll be tapping on this particular option that say confirm. Now you tap on confirm. All right. All right. You tap on the confirm. Now you allow it to finish loading, as it says decryption in progress, guys. Okay. Let's wait for it. It's still loading. Right. All right. It said successfully decrypted, as you can see here. Now we will be tapping on this particular option that says close. All right. Now let's tap on this close option. All right. Now we've already tapped on the close option. They said you are almost there. Now look at it. You're almost there. All right. This says you have completed all your tasks and you'll be eligible to claim your reward once 3 of your friends will join with your unique link. All right. Now, guys, the first thing after completing all those 7 tasks, now the next thing is to get your referral link. Understand? Get your referral link. Once you've gotten your referral link, now share to people. You understand? Once you share it out to people, now the next thing you'll be doing, just copy my video description, or rather, link to this video. Once you've copied it, send it to people. Once you send it, people will get to see the steps that you actually taught, or rather have actually showed since from the beginning of this video till the very end of it, guys. That's all. It as simple as it is. You don't need to even stress yourself. The reason why the video actually took longer time was because I told you guys this is my first time of doing it. So we actually did this thing together, guys. Alright, I did this till live. Or rather, we did this till live. Now let's tap on this done. Alright. Now once you tap on this done, you'll be seeing your referral link down below, which is the task number 7 is just to get 3 friends. Guys, this airdrop is going to be massive. I mark my word, it's going to be massive. The reason why I said, like, I've been seeing a lot of crypto influencers promoting this particular airdrop. Well, We don't know, but the way things are, this script, this airdrop is gonna be massive. All right, guys, endeavor to follow same steps, same procedure, and you get the same exact result, just the way I did. Don't forget to actually save your phrase and equally your wallet address. Now look at it. This is how to get your referral link. All right, this is your referral link. All right, let me point it with this arrow. Now once you tap on this particular option like this particular place that my arrow is actually pointing, once you tap it, you copy your referral link successfully. As simple as it is. All right, that's how to actually get it. Now look at it. They said this very last part of it, they said important note. Now look at it. Look at the note I'm talking of. Where is it? Sorry, the one after this number 8. All right, this particular one here, I'm coming. All right, this is it. After this number 8, let me highlight it. They said important notes. They said you will be able to claim your reward only using the same wallet with which you have completed the tax. As a reminder, your wallet address is, now look at the wallet address here. All right, this is your wallet address, guys. This is it. Now what you'll be doing, how do you copy it? Now you tap on this particular place. Now let me point it with the arrow, guys. This particular place here. Now once you point on this particular place like this, now you copy your wallet address. Now this particular place I'm just pointing. Now tap on that particular place. Once you tap it, you copy your wallet address successfully. Once you copy the wallet address, guys, you're good to go. So it's as simple as it is, guys. That's just it, guys. Let me just end the video here. If you have any question, comment it down below in the comment section, and I'll respond to your question. If you've gotten value, guys, from what I just dropped, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also share to people that you think will actually um will be in need of this particular video. Once you're going to do this particular airdrop, if you don't yet tutor the person, or rather the person is not actually close by to you, you can actually share the link to him, this particular YouTube video channel link to him, so that he will definitely watch. Once you watch it, then he will still follow the same prompt and he will equally get the same exact result, guys. See you on my next subsequent video, and don't forget to equally like, guys. By doing that, you help, or rather you encourage us to do more, or rather to drop more of this content. See you in my next subsequent videos, guys. Peace out.